The Associate of Applied Sciences degree here at Johnson County Community College in animation, entertainment, and game art design is a career program. It is specifically designed to give students all the tools, skills, and a professional portfolio resume that they would need to go out and compete for jobs immediately in the industry. Locally, there is a lot of great architectural, engineering, or marketing companies that have some jobs, and those jobs are expanding, which we think over the next 50 years will have a huge explosion of applications across all different types of media and the digital universe as we move forwards. The kind of technologies we use in our program are primarily high-end computer hardware. We use a variety of industry-specific software, Autodesk Maya being the primary one, and Unreal Engine, along with supplemental programs like ZBrush, Toon Boom, Redshift. All of those programs are used in creating the digital files necessary for these students to go out and get jobs. There is still a hand-drawn or analog component to it where we require our students to take drawing, life drawing, or anatomy classes. The program is still rooted or has a foundation in the artistic side of it, the drawing side of it. But once they get into the primary animation classes, it's all digital. It is all computer-based and using software. It's been very interesting to watch, especially from somebody like myself who's not an animation teacher but has a design background, where those students are going to go and where they're going to get work.
At Johnson County Community College, we are constantly looking at ways in which we can be innovative in our classrooms, and so we have a number of advisory committees. I've been here for 35 years, and a couple of the committees that we have include our Online Learning Advisory Committee, or OLAC. We also have our EdTech Advisory Committee, which is made up of faculty from all the different divisions. We meet on a monthly basis where we talk about innovative ideas that the faculty might be hearing about. We also have a lot of communication with our K-12 partners as students come here to the college, as students do, and as they leave. So we are working with the K-12 schools to see what innovative ideas they have. And also we visit these schools, we look at the universities, our peer institutions, and we bring these conversations into OLAC. We bring these conversations into ETech. We have been using active classroom technology for a number of years here at the college. Active classrooms typically mean that we have movable furniture, we have display monitors all around the different walls, we have interactive touchscreen monitors that are located in the classrooms. Every time we do a new room, we are asking the question, how can we do a better job? And so we're constantly looking at ways that we can improve upon the classroom designs. As we look into the future here at Johnson County, one of the teams that I work with that I'm very privileged to be part of is the Educational Technology Center. My staff in the Ed Tech Center are always forward-thinking. They're always looking at what will be coming down the road. In our Ed Tech Center, we have a Maker Lab. And one of the things that we do in our Maker Lab is we bring faculty in, we bring students in, where they will bring ideas. And we can actually take these ideas, whether it's something that might be a teaching innovation, and create a physical piece of teaching technology that can be used. We also have our Ed Tech Studio, where we bring faculty in and we ask them to teach. And we have a light board that allows the instructor to actually look through a pane of glass and to talk to their students. And we have that technology. We're also spending a lot of time right now looking at audio, like podcasting, where you can record a conversation that you might be having with someone who may not feel comfortable on camera, but yet you can sit down at a table and actually just hit a record button and have a conversation and put those into podcasting.
Future innovation in animation will be driven by the industry. Because we're a career and tech program, we're going to respond to whatever evolutions the industry puts out there, whether it's virtual reality headsets or just improvements in software. Most of our four-year schools, even here in the Midwest, they don't offer animation specific, they offer digital media courses, and you might get 1, 2, or 3 courses in animation, whereas we offer 13 individual courses in 3D and 2D animation, again designed to give that student all of the portfolio, all of the skills they would need to go out and compete for a job immediately.
we're also constantly asking our students. And so they're asking us to be flexible. And I think as a college, we have to listen to what they're asking and possibly research, more ways in which we can have high flex or Zoom enhanced classrooms here on campus. We have other technologies that are also mobile, and so we're trying to do more research into how can we address the needs of our students in a more flexible way.
The pandemic has provided for us an expanded use of virtual delivery that also includes using Zoom to bring in guest lecturers and artists. We even bring in professionals from those industries and talk to them about where were you born? How did you get here? Where did you land? And it's great for the students to hear their experiences as far as how they ended up at Pixar or Sony or Industrial Light and Magic or any number of the dozens and dozens of firms out there that create content for the film and gaming industry. That's been incredible as far as a career prep and just an interest, an excitement, or an interest factor for our students. We are fortunate that the college provides us the resources necessary. We have 2 full-time studios where we're teaching classes from Monday through Saturday. We know that as the gaming industry, as the film industry evolves, we'll be there to match. We know that things like virtual reality are on the horizon, and maybe not just in the gaming or the entertainment industry, but maybe in the social media, maybe in marketing, maybe in driving or medicine, and a variety of other industries that are not related typically to what we currently have done are going to become online, are going to become much more prevalent over the next 10, 15, 20, 30 years. We are prepared, and we will have the resources, I'm confident, to be able to meet those demands as the industry evolves.